Chiliz value equivalent to 2.0767 rands a coin. The present cost range, 2.0356 to 2.1905. The earlier day close, 2.1454. The change was 0.0687, 3.20%. Backwards rate, ZAR to CHC. Chiliz cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Chiliz cost expectation on Friday. Walk, 31, cost 2.21 rands, high 2.36, low 2.06. Chiliz estimate on Monday. April, 3, cost 2.21 rands, high 2.36, low 2.06. Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday. April, 4, cost 2.10 rands, high 2.25, low 1.95. Chiliz estimate on Wednesday. April, 5, cost 2.14 rands, high 2.29, low 1.99. In multi-week Chiliz cost forecast on Thursday. April, 6, cost 2.13 rands, high 2.28, low 1.98. Chiliz estimate on Friday. April, 7, cost 2.03 rands, high 2.17, low 1.89. Chiliz cost forecast on Monday. April, 10, cost 2.10 rands, high 2.25, low 1.95. Chiliz estimate on Tuesday. April, 11, cost 2.03 rands, high 2.17, low 1.89. Chiliz cost forecast on Wednesday. April, 12, cost 2.12 rands, high 2.27, low 1.97. In about 14 days Chiliz estimate on Thursday. April, 13, cost 2.06 rands, high 2.20, low 1.92. Chiliz cost forecast on Friday. April, 14, cost 2.14 rands, high 2.29, low 1.99. Chiliz figure on Monday. April, 17, cost 2.04 rands, high 2.18, low 1.90. Chiliz cost expectation on Tuesday. April, 18, cost 2.14 rands, high 2.29, low 1.99. Chiliz figure on Wednesday. April, 19, cost 2.17 rands, high 2.32, low 2.02. In 3 weeks Chiliz cost expectation on Thursday. April, 20, cost 2.01 rands, high 2.15, low 1.87. Chiliz figure on Friday. April, 21, cost 2.08 rands, high 2.23, low 1.93. Chiliz cost expectation on Monday. April, 24, cost 2.18 rands, high 2.33, low 2.03. Chiliz figure on Tuesday. April, 25, cost 2.32 rands, high 2.48, low 2.16. Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday. April, 26, cost 2.27 rands, high 2.43, low 2.11. In about a month Chiliz figure on Thursday. April, 27, cost 2.42 rands, high 2.59, low 2.25. Chiliz cost expectation on Friday. April, 28, cost 2.25 rands, high 2.41, low 2.09. Chiliz gauge on Monday. May, 1, cost 2.05 rands, high 2.19, low 1.91. Chiliz value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2027. Chiliz cost expectation for Walk 2023. In the first place cost at 2.41 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.56, while low cost 1.88. The found the middle value of cost 2.27. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 2.21, change for spring 8.3%. Chiliz gauge for April 2023. In the first place cost at 2.21 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.59, while low cost 1.87. The found the middle value of cost 2.23. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 2.25, change for April 1.8%. Chiliz cost expectation for May 2023. First and foremost cost at 2.25 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.49, while low cost 1.87. The found the middle value of cost 2.24. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 2.33, change for May 3.6%. Chiliz conjecture for June 2023. At the outset cost at 2.33 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.89, while low cost 2.33. The found the middle value of cost 2.56. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 2.70, change for June 15.9%. Chiliz cost expectation for July 2023. To start with cost at 2.70 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.70, while low cost 2.11. The found the middle value of cost 2.45. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 2.27, change for July 15.9%. Chiliz gauge for August 2023. To start with cost at 2.27 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.27, while low cost 1.78. The found the middle value of cost 2.06. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 1.91. Change for August 15.9%. Chiliz cost expectation for September 2023. To start with cost at 1.91 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.94, while low cost 1.68. The found the middle value of cost 1.84. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 1.81. Change for September 5.2%. Chiliz estimate for October 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.81 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.23, while low cost 1.81. The found the middle value of cost 1.98. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 2.08. Change for October 14.9%. Chiliz cost expectation for November 2023. First and foremost cost at 2.08 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.58, while low cost 2.08. The found the middle value of cost 2.29. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 2.41. Change for November 15.9%. Chiliz estimate for December 2023. First and foremost cost at 2.41 rands. Exorbitant cost 3.00, while low cost 2.41. The found the middle value of cost 2.66. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 2.80. Change for December 16.2%. Chiliz cost expectation for January 2024. First and foremost cost at 2.80 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.80, while low cost 2.19. The found the middle value of cost 2.54. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 2.35. Change for January 16.1%. Chiliz gauge for February 2024. In the first place cost at 2.35 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.35, while low cost 1.83. The found the middle value of cost 2.13. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 1.97. Change for February 16.2%. Chiliz cost expectation for WAC 2024. In the first place cost at 1.97 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.97, while low cost 1.53. The found the middle value of cost 1.78. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 1.65. Change for spring 16.2% ZAR to CHZ swapping scale equivalent to 0.4815 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.4565 minus 0.4913. The earlier days nearby 0.4661. Change for now plus 0.0154 plus 3.30%. ZAR to CHZ cost expectation for in the not so distant future and month. Rand to Chiliz conjecture on Friday. WAC 31 cost 0.452 coins, high 0.485, low 0.424. ZAR to CHZ expectation on Monday. April 3 cost 0.452 coins, high